Smart production line planning, fully automated injection molding production of auto parts. The finished product is a window regulator clip, which replaces the traditional way of a vertical injection machine to manually embed metal parts into the mold for inserted molding. In order to achieve fully automated embedding and production, the process begins from inspection of the metal quality. After confirming the metal quality, the reclaiming structure places the metal on the template, and the robot takes the metal from the template and places it into the mold. It then proceeds to a horizontal injection molding machine for high-speed production. When completing the injection process, the finished products fall on the conveyor automatically and then are transferred to the next station by the conveyor. The fully automated production cycle repeats again. Equipped with a quick mold change system, the machine adopts a magnetic fixed mold to avoid time wasting on to lock and remove screws for replacing another mold. The mold replacement can be done by one person and enter the production line again in a short time. The core of the overall plan is to satisfy production requirements by customers. Customers expect to increase production, reduce manpower, and achieve fully automated production. Huarong Group keeps investing in R&D to provide quality customized products to satisfy all the customers' molding requirements. For the concept of Industry 4.0 and the Smart Factory solution, Huarong Group actively develops the factory management platform to assist injection molding factories to integrate new and old injection equipment. Through this management platform, the manager could master the whole plant status to arrange production progress accurately. Instead of poor information integrity, autonomous data collection is easily imported into the management system. For maintenance, engineers can initiatively do according to the Wisdom inspection function, as well as troubleshooting through an instant alert notification. Huarong Group introduces professional software, Nastran, to analyze and ensure the mechanical heavy-duty and keep optimization on the injection molding machine. Moreover, Huarong Group's machines have acquired many patents and won a lot of technical awards. Huarong Group have strong confidence in being your most reliable injection molding partner. Huarong Group is an enterprise in Taiwan and well known for manufacturing safe, heavy-duty, and high-quality plastic injection molding machines. Based on extraordinary designs and quality services, Huarong Group now integrates UDAC and Nanrong to offer complete injection molding solutions for both vertical and horizontal applications. Huarong Group also integrates automation and design department, mold makers, and other Taiwanese excellent manufacturers to offer turnkey solutions and automation solutions to meet all molding needs for customers. There are 4 plants inside the company. Plant 1 is for manufacturing vertical machines. Plant 2 is for manufacturing small horizontal injection machines. Plant 3 is for manufacturing medium-sized horizontal injection machines. And Plant 4 is for manufacturing large horizontal injection machines. Huarong Group offers injection molding machines from capacity 60 to 450 tons for vertical injection machine and 60 to 6,000 tons for horizontal injection machine for the customer to do automotive applicants, household items, fitting, pet preform, and so on. Huarong Group can customize products according to customer specifications. According to the customer's molding requirement for pallets and car bumpers, Huarong Group prepares 4,000-ton injection molding machines with molds and a robot to take out the finished product to reduce the time, cost, and reach full automation. Huarong Group's target is to provide customers with the most efficient and complete services. Just like Huarong Group's slogan, quality innovation and appreciated by industry alignment.